In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Binance wallet to exchange. So once you launch your application, you are going to be on exchange just like this. This is the home page, and then now you want to go over to wallet by just clicking right here on wallet. So this is going to open your Binance wallet. So once you are here on wallet, you can just go right down at the bottom menu and click on assets. So once you're on assets, you can see your various assets and your token balances for each of your cryptocurrencies. So just go over and click on send, and then you're going to see an option here, transfer to Binance exchange. So if you have enough token, you're just going to click here on transfer to Binance exchange, and then you're going to input the crypto you are trying to transfer. You're going to input the amount of crypto you want to transfer, and then you'll be able to transfer your money from wallet to exchange.